Hello, this is Wolfgang with Tools for Ascension, and my gift to you today is helping you how to look into possible futures of yourself. So many clients of mine, they're kind of trying to decide, should I go with Bobby or Timmy? Should I follow Michael? Or should I, move to New York or to Denver? And so one really nice method, besides I Ching, Tao, etc., which kind of keep you hanging much of the time, it's very enigmatic, so to say, is to ask, let's just do this here. So ask a question of, let's say being with a person. How this will work out, close your eyes, ask that question, your future with this person. Half a year from now, we ask that to be shown how that's going to feel. And then 1 year, how is this going to feel? Again, this could be a person, a place, a job, a hobby. How about 2 years? How are you going to feel in 2 years? Feel that. And how about in 5 years? How are you going to feel then? And how about 10 years? Then I'll go back to your present time. Well, I hope this helped. Of course, in principle, you can apply this all the time to yourself. You don't need this recording. Of course, the more balanced, grounded, and out of your head and in your heart you are, the more accurate you're going to be. And I'll just follow my channel and see if there's more tips that can help you. Tools for Ascension by Wolfgang. Stay.